Now that we've used our spreader, we need to clean it up, especially if you've had fertilizers or pesticides or something like that in it. You need to get it as clean as possible, get all the residue off of it. One of the things I like to do is turn it upside down and start upside down, because you need to wash it from all angles. So once we get her upside down, we take a garden hose to it. Now there are two methods of cleaning a spreader. One of them is a wipe down method, which is when you use an oily rag, or at least a clean rag, to wipe off all the exposed metal and get as much of the little tiny particles out of all the little cracks and crevices, which in my opinion is almost impossible to do. That's where water comes in. But it's, as a rule of thumb, a good wipe down job is better than a sorry wash down. So if you don't wash it well, you might as well not have got the hose out, just got a paper towel and got after it. Then when you get it washed from the underside, I like to stand them up, and I like to open up the gate at the bottom so that the water I spray inside the hopper will flow right on through. And I start by washing out the hopper. Once I've got the hopper done, I wash off the controls and the underside from the top now. From both sides. Tilt it up and get underneath there. From the back, tilt it up and get under there. And then from the front. If you wash it from all angles and you're not scared to use a little water, it's very likely you'll extend the life of that piece of equipment many times, because fertilizers and pesticides in general, it's just safe to assume that they're going to be corrosive to metal especially.